layunin, unang layunin nito ay magtulong-tulong, no? Yung iba't ibang sektor, hindi lamang mula sa gobyerno, lalo-lalo na dun sa mga miyembro ng ating lipunan. Pero actually, ang layunin po ng Department of Justice at layunin dapat nating Pilipino, dapat every month Children's Month. Kasi hindi naman na isasantabi yung pag-prioritize natin sa karapatan ng ating mga Pilipinong kabataan. Dapat lahat ng Pilipino tataya. Diba? Dapat taya tayo dito, all in. Karapatan ng kabataan, karapatan ng kababaihan, karapatan ng mga PDLs, karapatan ng iba't ibang sektor na vulnerable. Dapat tayo lahat nakataan. Dahil hindi ito usapin lang ng isa o ng kanilang sektor, usapin po ito ng bawat Pilipino. Dapat tataya lahat.
Together with our PFM group, in the DBM, more than the OGP, we have the Public Expenditure Financial Accountability Assessment. And in that report, the PIFA report, we have the children and women in that report. So I'm happy to note that, I forgot to mention lang kanina, I'm happy to note that the DOJ is also focusing on the children and women. So we will be able to help you. We want everyone, especially those in the justice sector, to be able to access whatever budget that we have for children and women.